Hello students, myself Vimal Sojitra. Here we are going to learn Introduction to C#. What is C#? C# is an object-oriented language that is based on the .NET framework. Object-oriented language means use of classes and objects. C# enables you to develop different types of applications such as console applications, Windows-based applications, web-based applications. In console application, there is no GUI. GUI means graphical user interface. You cannot develop any project in console application. You can use only for testing purpose. You can see the output of console application on command prompt. In window application, we can say it GUI. GUI means graphical user interface. We can develop project using window application. You can see the output of window application in the same format. And web-based applications, we can say its website. C# contains various features that make similar to other programming languages such as C, C++, and Java. C# language features. These are the features of C# language: modern, object-oriented, simple and flexible, type safety, scalable, interoperability, rich library. First one is modern. C# has been based according to the current trend and is very powerful and simple for building interoperable, scalable, and robust applications. C# is the best language for developing window-based and web-based application for the Microsoft .NET framework. It means C# includes all these modern concepts. Next one is object-oriented. As we discussed earlier, C# is object-oriented language. It supports all the basic object-oriented language features like encapsulation, polymorphism, and inheritance. Next is simple and flexible. C# is a simple language in the sense that it provides structured approach, means to break the problem into parts, rich set of library functions, data types, etc. It means C# having all these tools that make it simple to use. Next is type safety. C# is type safe language. C# type safe code only access the memory location that it has permission to execute. Therefore, it improves the security of the program. Next is scalable. C# is automatic, scalable, and updatable programming language. For updating our application, we delete the old files and update them with new one. Many times we want new feature in our application, so this feature is also available in C#. Next is interoperability. Interoperability process enables the C# programs to do almost anything that native C++ application can do. Next is rich library. C# provides a lot of inbuilt functions that makes the development fast. C# provides many inbuilt classes that user can use directly. So these are the features of C# language. .NET. What is .NET or how you can develop .NET application? First of all, you require any hardware devices with having operating system. It can be your personal computer or laptop. In that device, you have to install .NET Framework, and with the help of .NET Framework, you can develop .NET applications. As we discussed earlier, .NET applications can be console, it can be window, or it can be web application. Compilation in .NET. In .NET Framework, you can use several languages. .NET Framework supports several languages to write code. For example, VB.NET, C, C++, C#, or so on. So in first line, you can see you can write code in either VB.NET or code in C# or code in other .NET languages. After writing the code of your choice, the second step is to compile that code in machine language. For that, you require compiler. For example, if you write code in C#, C# compiler will convert that code into machine level language. But remember, in .NET Framework, the compiled code is not executed. It will be converted first into IL code. IL code means intermediate language code, and that code will be converted into executed code with the help of CLR. CLR means Common Language Runtime. Common Language Runtime means CLR use JIT compiler to convert the IL code into executable code. So this is compilation in .NET. CLR. CLR means Common Language Runtime is the basic and virtual machine component of the .NET Framework. It is the runtime environment in the .NET Framework that runs the code and helps in making the development process easier by providing various services. It is responsible for managing the execution of .NET programs regardless of any .NET programming language. If any language compiler converts the code into IL code, the IL code will further convert it to executable code with the help of CLR. So we can say CLR is the core component of .NET Framework. IL or MSIL. IL stands for Intermediate Language. It is also known as MSIL. MSIL means Microsoft Intermediate Language because .NET Framework is product of Microsoft. As we discussed earlier, .NET languages are not compiled to machine code. They are compiled to an intermediate language with the help of language compiler. CLR accepts the code and recompile it to machine code. The recompilation is JIT, means just in time, means it will be done by JIT compiler. It means it is done as soon as a function is called, and after the IL code is executed and converted to native code, your application can be run. Thank you.